I like it. Patrice.
Okay, great.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic. Yeah, so Romeich and Shenseea and the team and the family, you know, the kids, they went to Hope Zoo. I'm have some video for sure now when I see Romeich video, right? I say, when I see the camel in at the front, so I have some more with the camel. Also, there was a crocodile and lion and couple other thing. You see me? Me personally never been to Hope Zoo, so one time me see that video, me I say, yeah. You know what I mean? At least I get an idea of what them have up there. And it's very entertaining to say the least. Them also do other things in the video too, like them a race and a play. One of the parts here, Happy Feet a come Romeich ear. And Romeich a give me a joke throughout the video. So I go play it for you so you can see what go on. And then I go encourage you to get in the comment section. Tell me how you feel about this. And if you never been to Hope Zoo as well. So here's the video. Here goes.
Come Simba or Lion King, see food there? Food Lion, see food there?
Lion!
Simba, what's your name? Lion King.
In the field.
So how old are they, about 105?
No.
Oh.
Yeah. So they're like, Katie here's about 35. Actually, she's our oldest one.
Yeah. Katie, tell us how old girl me like, man. Oh, easy. Whoa, easy, Katie. Katie, me like her, but not so much. Easy, Katie.
Why are they next so like?
This is a car with the girl and fat up in our chair. Clum.
That's me.
They can reach way up high.
Whoa.
I'm tired, you know.
Whoa.
That's Jody.
Me and my girl up for her, man.
Yeah, we put them in the
So the girls, the fluffy girls, them love me.
Oh, so they get white.
Yeah, that's okay.
Whoa.
You like it, Papa?
No, because I don't like his teeth.
Oh, sorry. Right, I'm gonna feel like me there. Where's something named Jurassic Park? A dinosaur them here. Yeah, watch out, twerk it. Twerk it for Jade, watch out. Yeah.
Catching dinosaur, boo.
Come, Papa, you can do it. Ah, good job.
They're not going to bite you.
Do one more for me, Papa, please. Do one for me. Feed him for me. Good boy. Oh.
I love those.
Dinosaur.
Yeah. If you get them to run.
Roger, careful, okay? You get pet. One baga camel sitting like some desert man, boy, and a green grass man. What do you do with camel in Jamaica, man?
Rough.
Camel like a grass, a desert. Everybody for.
Camel pissing on me eye.
Blood clot, and that's what you, man. I love this piss in your face too much, man. Good legs, them people. Yeah, happy feet to the ear legs, them look like cow. You talk about happy feet, you kick football and drop. Jay with the good legs, them. Keep it up. Watch out. Jesus Christ. Man down. Breast down. Happy feet make up her mind if she's a man or a woman, it. Shower.
Ashley, right? Cute.
Hi, people. My name is Romeich. But you live in another year? You're dead. No, you tell me though. What is someone I do? What is woman or woman I do here? My G, how you do?
It's a bird.
Oh, you're a girl today? Burl. I mean, I like no girl named Merle. So we are give me pure tour. Watch a big race here. Somebody must drop, you know. I not ask Christ, somebody must drop. That with them my love go down too much, man. People don't watch it. Anyway, any mark, get set, go! What's your race now? Them are dropping now. Somebody must turn over. What's a big race here? Somebody must drop it now. Me not ask Christ, somebody must drop. That with them my love go down too much, man. People don't watch it. Anyway, any mark, get set, go!
On your mark. Set.
Go! Cha. When Shenseea running our brush alone, let's see her run now.
Yes, it look like they had a good time, you know, the kids them enjoy feeding the animals and stuff like that. You see them do the racing and other things, you know. I'm pretty sure there's a lot that they didn't even video. So, would I love for go up zoo, you know what I mean, or any other zoo, I don't know. But big up on yourself, people, you know what I mean? That's it. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is. Wherever you are, I'm out.
2021 Alpha Run Right and Big D Promotions in association with the Power Circle presents Alkaline Live. You heard right, Alkaline Live in concert, Saturday, February 20th, 2021 at the SD Lawn, 5317 North Falkenberg Road, Tampa. Alkaline Live. Also performing Insidious and more artists to be added. Alkaline Live in concert. Make it a date, Saturday, February 20th. Alkaline Live. All of Florida coming out for this. Advance tickets start at $50. Get your tickets now on Eventbrite.com and all Caribbean outlets throughout Florida. For more info, call 407-749-8064 or 407-803-1212. Saturday, February 20th. Alkaline Live.
After all, dog, and that's how we had
You're deaf!
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.